So for your theory assignment, let's just go through these answers together so you can check your answers if you've already done it, or we can go through it. So number 1, name the flat in the key signature. So this is a B flat, which means, I don't know if it asks, but that means we're in the key of F because we have a B flat. Okay, number 2, this 8th note begins on which beat? So we look at the time signature, 3, 4. So this is beat 1, and that's beat 2. 2. Number 3, name this chord. F, A, C. That is an F1 chord because we're in the key of F, and it's the 1 chord. Okay? A little bit. All right, number 4, name this interval from D to A. That's a 4th. Okay, number 5, is this curved line a slur or a tie? It's a slur because it connects different notes in the phrase. All right. And then let's see, measure 9, number 6. Does the left hand begin on the tonic or dominant? Okay, so we're in the key of F, which is the tonic, which means that the dominant is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is a C, right? Key of F. Here's the tonic. Here's the dominant. So since this is a C, the answer is dominant. Number 7, name this interval, C to A. That's a 3rd. From D to A, that's a 4th. And then number 10, name these 2 accidentals. So these 2, this sharp and this flat, aren't part of the key signature. They're just something extra that the composer added. So we've got a C sharp and a B natural, because we're supposed to have a B flat all the time because of the key signature. But just for right there, we play B natural instead. Number 11, write beats 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. I just added the little ands, right? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Number 12. Name the chord tones, the notes in this chord. So if you look carefully, we've gone up into the treble clef here. We actually did that back here. So now we're in the treble clef. So we got to think about what these notes are. So the bottom one is an A, middle one is a C sharp, the top is an E. And these ones, the bottom 2 are the same, A, C sharp, but our thumb has moved up to an F. Okay, so maybe you can practice playing those chords this week too. Like that. We go from A, C, E to A, C sharp, F. Okay, number 25, name this chord, A, C sharp, E. That's an A1 chord. Number 15, this chord, C, E, G. That's a C1 chord. Number 16, name this chord, F, A, C. That's an F1 chord. Number 34, name the left-hand ledger note, this note on top. That's a D, because it sits on top of this line, which is the line for C, C, D. Okay. And then the last question, name this interval from A to F. That's a 6th. Okay, so just for fun, I'm going to play this song all the way through, but we'll look at it some more next week, okay? But just so you get, I mean, I know you know what it sounds like. You've probably heard this song before, but so here's how this arrangement goes. Whoops. Okay, so we'll talk more about that next week.